Here's a closer look at that ankle mobility test that we did with Patrick. And maintaining ankle mobility is so important because our feet are really the main interface with the ground in everything we do. So any restrictions here are really going to restrict what the rest of the body can do. So if we come close, I've got a measuring tape on the ground here, and Madeline's going to start just by putting her toe against the wall and then tapping her knee. And this right here is kind of the baseline score of 0. And if she moves back an inch, inch and a half, taps again, great. So she's passing the score here, and we're watching the foot, making sure it really stays neutral. Really that heel kicking up or the knee dropping in is going to be that indicator that the body's now trying to cheat and get a better score. She's doing great right now. The foot is still neutral and she's at 4 inches. So if she moves back here, this is probably going to be pushing it.
Now I can't keep my heel down.
Yeah, you can see how that heel is popping up. Okay, so she would move forward and really record that score as 4 3/4 or maybe 5 inches. So if you try this and you're less than 2.5 inches, you really want to work on these ankle stretches, get that mobility back, because it's necessary for something like a full squat, which is a great gardening position.
It really works.
Stay garden fit.